Now that they are done carrying the country, they are now carrying the specimen. Just a month ago, COVID-19 specimens were found by a jogger down by the side of the road in East London. Few days ago, a courier truck carrying COVID-19 specimen was robbed in Port Elizabeth. People in the Eastern Cape, kanicho, kubeka ntoni ngalo specimen. Mind ya, sabuwa. Chongani. Namandazo by Tony Specimen. Sounds nice. Sounds like a name of a superhero, like a Spider-Man, a Superman, Specimen, Vix, Ramaphosa, Mkhonyane, anything. It's a nice English word. I can imagine my 2000 going, screw, Mkhonyane, screw, Specimen. It's nice. But what worries me is that right now, there's probably a guy somewhere in the Eastern Cape, a Motherwell, a clean. Or at Kabeja. I don't know the place, but there's a guy by the taxi rank selling a specimen, shouting, 100 rand is specimen, 100 rand is specimen, Ndhlovu specimen, Nai COVID, Valley COVID, Vuli COVID, Ngena COVID, Puma COVID. Don't buy, it's not more fire. The National Health Laboratory Service said anyone who comes across a stolen specimen, they must call them, as if we know what's a specimen. As if I can say specimen, I go, that's a specimen. As if a specimen is pattern, as in a tattoo that says it's specimen. As if a specimen is a homeless guy standing by the corner going, specimen. Specimen. Okay. For those who don't know what a specimen is, specimen is an example. So these people stole COVID-19 examples that were taken from people who have COVID-19. My example. COVID-19 is going to make an example out of you. It's like buying a fake iPhone. And every time you make a call, it goes, you know that phone when you make a call, it goes, hello, can I help you? Now you have a phone, but you can't download iStore. When you switch it goes, mobile. Now every time you have to use your phone, you have to check around if there's anyone here who has an iPhone before they expose you. The iPhone in the airtime, it's well, right, yes. Ringway specimen.